Okay, here's the finished product on my CNC router. I upgraded the router motor, which I'm getting the cable made to get rid of EMI. I had a problem with that. So anyway, I can mount my Buegler pinstriping tool there, obviously the router, and then a pin holder for writing with pins. Obviously, if I'm going to use that, I have to raise the router motor. But anyway, and I had to do, since the total weight on that Z-axis is 26 pounds, I had to add weight to the counterweight. And in order to do that, I had to raise it to make more room for the larger weight. So anyway, I did that, and now the counterweight is, according to the CNC machine, is 0 because of the counterweight. The Z-axis doesn't know whether it's going up or down. Okay, that's about it. I'll post a video with it running, but there's the speed control for the router motor, and of course the controls for everything else. And it's a 4 foot by 4 foot table, and so there you go.